Brown Santasalo delivers a full range of drive solutions for the intense requirements of mining and minerals processing. Our global network of manufacturing, service and sales locations spans 6 continents, meaning we are close whenever and wherever you need us. We deal with any challenge this diverse industry faces at every stage of the process. Our experience is founded on almost 3 centuries of global gear engineering expertise. We build drive systems for all mine types, from copper, iron ore, nickel, coal and gold. Mining is one of the most essential practices in building our sustainable future and producing the vital resources that enhance our daily lives. Copper is helping to build a cleaner world for us all. It is 100% recyclable and will play a vital role in reducing our reliance on fossil fuel and drive forward the electrification of our society. This includes the production of electric cars that will reduce the impact our vehicles have on the environment. Iron ore, a key ingredient in the production of steel, the lifeblood of engineering and construction, and a material used in almost every aspect of our lives, from our homes to our work and the travel in between. Nickel, a vital component of our lives, is utilized more often than we know. Its hardness, strength and anti-corrosive qualities see it used in the harshest environments, along with rechargeable batteries for portable computers, power tools and hybrid and electric cars. We are the experts in the custom engineering, design and manufacturing of gear units for mining shovels, drag lines and other surface mining equipment. With proven expertise and global capabilities, Brown Santasalo gives you peace of mind throughout the whole process. Our application-specific products include a full range of foot and shaft-mounted helical, bevel helical and planetary gear units. Our extensive girth gear capabilities encompass casted, multi-segmented and welded options. Each gear system is engineered to our customers' exact requirements for application fit and maximum performance. Our material handling gear systems are in operation in some of the world's harshest environments and possess thermal efficiency, mounting and sealing systems that are optimized to ensure supreme performance whatever the weather. Furthermore, our aftermarket services support your needs long after the manufacturing of a brand new gearbox. Our extensive experience in multi-brand service, repair and on-site inspection, along with our wide range of overhaul options including replacement, re-engineered or spare gear units and spare parts, positions us as your go-to partner for all your aftermarket requirements regardless of the make or model. Our proprietary condition monitoring system, GearWatch, enables you to remotely monitor the health of your gearbox through vibration and oil monitoring techniques. Detecting potential gear unit failures well in advance of damaging impacts means you can plan your maintenance activities around your operational requirements. So, whether you need 24/7 service support in the field or from one of our global service centers, we are and will always be here for you.